The only way to download and install iPhone apps from the PC. Hey guys, remember back in the day when we were able to install iPhone apps from the App Store on the PC? Remember how fast and convenient it was? Well, Apple removed it from iTunes several months ago. Not sure why they had to remove it in the first place, but for cases like mine, having App Store on PC is very essential. I never noticed this change when it was applied because I rarely used this method to download and install applications. But when I used it, it was pretty effective. But now, in university where I am currently at, Wi-Fi is not present in dorms but only in the campus. We are provided with LAN cables in every room in the dorm. The LAN speed, however, is fast and unrestricted with 100 Mbps speed. Most files download at a speed of about 10 megabytes per second. The LAN uses proxy to connect to the internet, which makes it impossible to access Steam or play online games like CSGO. But it also opens opportunity to download large files within seconds. It has enabled me to upload gigabytes of footage under minutes. For clarity, 2 gigabytes of an upload took me 5 minutes at max. Now allow me to shut up and get to the point. I want to use the LAN to download apps for the iPhone. How do I do that? Using the PC App Store, of course, which is present in iTunes. But Flo, you just said it doesn't exist anymore. That's true, but the old versions can still be used. Now, if you try some old versions of iTunes, you may encounter errors as I have done in the past. The only stable and working version of iTunes is 12.6.3, which was published in the past quietly without anyone's notice on the Apple website. How secret of them. It's the last iTunes version which enables us to use App Store on the iTunes. All you have to do is click the link in the description and choose the version that matches your operating system. Your corresponding iTunes setup shall download. Now, if you have any version higher to this one, uninstall that version of iTunes. After that, install this version of iTunes and it should work fine. If you encounter the error stating that the library file couldn't be read, find this file and delete it. It is present in Musics, iTunes library.itl. Delete this file, library.itl, and that's it. Open iTunes now and you can see the App Store. Now, if you do not know how to use it, connect your iPhone and grant permissions to the iTunes. Find any app that you wish to install. Click on Install App. Now, iTunes shall download the app and you can see the progress on the side. Once you have finished downloading all the apps you want, sync it into your phone and you're done. The app then shall be installed within a minute in your phone. And that, my friend, is the only way to install an app on the iPhone from PC directly without any wireless connections and stuff. See you later.